Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In today's video, I want to be demonstrating my application named Calculator Apps. And by the name itself, you can understand probably what this app is used for. It's for calculating. So as you can see, I've made about 8 or 9 if you include the first screen, that is screen 1, pages that you can switch between, and I've made it here in my calculator app uh, work with labels and inputs. Here if you go to screen 1 and see the logic, you can see that there's about 8 different things that you can click here, where you can go to each different screen with each name, each image you click. And here I want to show you with my phone. I'm using, of course, Kodular companion to test it up. And here you go. It's a little bit different in my phone than in the showcase here, but it still works. And if I click square, it will change the Kodular in my laptop and also my screen here. I can here add a number, maybe 10, yeah, 30, and click the answer button, and it will showcase the number in my phone. And there's about 8 different screens in here with different calculations in the blocks, and all of them have almost the same logic. Basically, it sets the screen to it sets the labels of the outputs for the screen to text with the value of 0, then sets the text to the value of whatever input text is, whatever number input text is, times what input text 1 and input text 2, with some calculations. This is for just rectangle, and there's more complicated ones such as a parallelogram. I don't have this one. Trapeza here, and I think each screen is quite simple actually. It only uses a few calculations, but the basics are basically just math and also and set label. That's about it. um, for the design itself, I use a lot of different methods, such as using different layers from vertical arrangements to card views, and text fields, copy and spaces, and it makes this elegant looking UI with the background from Pinterest, and then also each shape being made in Figma. And the buttons here actually work when you use it in an app, but it looks a bit differently when you try to showcase it on the screen here and then in a modern phone, because, well, the sizes change and Kodular doesn't really support a lot of different phones once you make an app in Kodular, so forgive me for that. So I've made a few different screens here that I can showcase. Maybe if you want to use this app, all you have to do is use the Kodular app to connect to your phone, and it normally works fairly smoothly, although it will be quite annoying to use it with a different view, a different screen like here. It looks fine in my review of the Google Pixel 3, but once you put it in a normal phone, it looks like this. But you can still use it nonetheless. And it also can cannot operate arguments uh, with text in them, so it will just show stuff like this. All you have to do to change it is change the change the text to numbers, and it will show particular. And I think that's about it for my demonstration. My name is Ziani Farisi. Fathiyuin. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.